guys, today welcome to Vicky's art show, and I made all of these, and please subscribe if you watch one of my videos. You don't have to if you don't want it. If you like it, please subscribe and give a like on my videos if you want to, and please sure to smash on the bell. And we are gonna from the easiest to the hardest. First, the easiest will be the frog or the popsicle. Then it's gonna be flowers. Then it's gonna be the bird. Then it's gonna be the sword. These sword, whatever it's called. Then it's gonna be the sword, cause see, it's gonna open. But I made this on my first try. This is my first try. Look how bad is this. This is my second try. Second try is always the best. And the hardest is gonna be this. Since it's really big and there's 3 houses. It's like 3 little pigs' house. But I already made the frog video and the bird video. Today I'm gonna make the flower. Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make a flower. It's pretty easy or sort of hard. I made different colors of flowers. If you have like pretty colored paper, because I have them. And today I'm gonna teach you how to with only 1 piece of paper. If you have a white paper, that's okay. Because just to make it pretty, first you're gonna start with a whatever colored paper you have. But it has to be big squared or small squared. First you're gonna fold this to the side, just like this. Then you have to open it and flip it like, do you see this line? Turn it around like this, and then do it on the other side. After you got these 2 lines over here, open it if you haven't. So you see these 2 lines, right? Then you're gonna hold on tight to 2 of these lines and squish it through. And you're gonna make sort of a square, a small piece of square, but it's double-sided. You're not gonna do anything. You're gonna open it. First fold and tiny triangle, and open the tiny triangle, and open the big side. And after you open the big side, you're gonna squeeze the side into the line. First time it's okay, it might be worse. But in my first time, I just got it in first try. Since I know these simple shapes, if you know these simple shapes, I think you will get it in your first try. But if you don't worry, guys. You can practice. You can practice. I'm just gonna wait a little moment for you to be done. Okay, the next one, flip it over and then do a little triangle, the same, and then open the little triangle and open this big side and do the same on this side. So that I'm just gonna like wait a moment. Actually, let me see. I actually forgot how to make it. So I'm gonna do this. So, and then we're gonna close this like an egg. Like an egg. So we're gonna close it. And then we're gonna fold one to the middle, and then a side to the middle, and then fold the other side. And other side to the middle, and then we're gonna do middle. And do the same thing to the other side. So flip it over and do the same thing. After you're done that, we're gonna open a side and you're gonna open the other side. And then you can see this, you're gonna hold it down and you're gonna do the other one. So then here's a flower. Then your flower is made. If you want to make the leaf curly, you need a pencil to make the leaf curly. How will I get the leaf curly? Do this. I like to make the leaf curly since it's pretty. Yay, here's our flower.